The air conditioners, water heaters and car parts you use every day have its shadow behind them. A Chinese brand bobomachine, established nearly 30 years ago, is exporting globally. Today we introduce our new machine, Skiving heat sinking machine. It is a small and medium-sized machine tool. After the workpiece is clamped at once, it can automatically and continuously complete the skiving fin forming process. Cutting metal is like chopping melons and vegetables, and cut down a piece of metal standing upright, which is hardcore and dry processing methods. Skiving fin forming. This is like you take a kitchen knife peeling radish, only radish into amidal choppers, upgraded to diamond copper, aluminum plate, click a cutting brush, a few metal plate directly into lasagna. What is it used for? The most common is the heatsink. Chipped thin rows of dense heat dissipation faster than you fart. Why do you have to skiving? Because there is not enough space fins to come together. Cutting the metal into pieces increases the heat dissipation area. The hot air between the fins rises, and the cold air around it adds to it, creating convection. It would be even better if it was paired with a fan. This thing can save the computer CPU down to protect the car engine. Is the heat of the world's porter. In the skiving process, the silk out of the liquid is cutting fluid. It can play a cooling lubrication, rust prevention, triple effect. The most exciting thing is that finally, you have to go through the hobbing straightening process, eliminating the tiny bends generated during processing to ensure that each piece is stable and straight.